Hello students, welcome again in online classes of computer of class 5th. Today I will explain lesson 4 working with table in Word. Students, working with table in Word means you can create table in MS Word. Table means you can arrange your data in rows and columns. After going through this chapter, you will be able to demonstrate the different methods to insert a table in Word. Modify and format the table using various features and perform calculations on the data in the table. Yes, children, first is table. Table means an arrangement of information in rows and columns. In other words, you can say it is a tabular form of data that is arranged in a row and column. Next is cell. Intersection of rows and column is called cell. It is the smallest unit of table. Next is row. Row is a horizontal series of cells. And last one is column. A vertical series of cell is called column. Student, you can see in this table, this is a horizontal row and it is column that is in vertical series. This one is current cell. You can find in every table one black colored rectangular area where you can input data, enter data. Okay, student. Children, there are different ways to insert a table in Word. Number 1, using the table grid. Number 2, insert table option. Number 3, draw table option. Number 4, quick table option. Through these options, you can insert table according to your requirement. Next is, you can also convert text into a table. Children, आप पहले से टाइप की हुई डेटा को भी टेबल में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज टू न्यू टैब्स, डिजाइन्स एंड लेआउट. स्टूडेंट्स, ये दो टैब न्यू हैं जो टेबल में ऐड की गई हैं. ये विंडोज 10 2007 MS वर्ड के न्यू फीचर्स हैं जो आप अपनी टेबल में यूज कर सकते हैं. डिजाइन से आप टेम्पलेट ले सकते हैं और लेआउट से आप स्लाइड का फॉर्मेट ले सकते हैं, जैसे कि टाइटल ओनली, टाइटल एंड कंटेंट, टाइटल एंड वीडियो एंड सो ऑन. स्टूडेंट्स, you can insert and delete rows, column and merge and split cells. You can do all these functions in your table. Means you can insert rows, insert column, insert cell, and like this you can also delete rows, columns and cell according to your requirement. Children, you can merge more than one cell in one cell, and you can split one cell into more than one column. Children, you can also insert picture to a table. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको MS वर्ड एक और फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करता है कि आप अपनी टेबल के अंदर पिक्चर्स इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं, चार्ट्स इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं, शेप्स इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं और आप स्मार्ट आर्ट भी अपने टेबल के अंदर यूज कर सकते हैं। Next, it is possible to perform calculation on data in a table using the formula command. Yes, students, you can also calculate in MS Word like MS Excel. It has also a formula command you can use and do calculation in table. It is last but not least, you can also sort data using the sort command in the data group. Yes, students, it is a very unique feature. You can arrange your data in increasing order and decreasing order. Increasing means you can arrange your data from 1 to 10, and decreasing means you can arrange your data in 10 to 1. Students, it is a magical features of table you can do easily. Yes, children, मैं आपको एक और वीडियो इसके साथ में भेज रही हूँ, उसको आप वॉच करेंगे तो ये सारे फंक्शंस आपको इजी लगेंगे और आप इनको आसानी से अपने घर पे बैठ के कर पाएंगे। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, children, I will continue from inserting table. I told you in last video how can you insert table. Now you can see on screen how can we insert table in MS Word. First, you will click on insert, then go to the table, click on it and then click on insert table. This is first method to insert table in MS Word like this. Suppose you need 4 columns and 6 rows. You can increase or decrease the number with the handlers. Otherwise, you can write like this. Then click on OK. Your table will appear like this. Suppose we have to create timetable of our online classes. First, Monday, you can insert text like this. Next, Tuesday, Wednesday, you can insert data in line and columns. Go to the next cell, you will use tab. Tab in keyboard, you will press it and you can go next in next cell. Like first period, second period, third period. Now, one period is left. So you can insert like this. Insert Click on insert and you need column left or right in right side. Click on it and you can see one more column will appear and you can use for fourth period. Okay, students. Now we will complete this. You can create timetable like this. Okay, students. Next method is again click on table. You can also draw your own table with the help of grid like this. It is second method of inserting table. Again go to the insert tab and click on table. You can draw your table with the help of pencil. See this. You can draw lines. Okay. You can also draw it. According to your requirement, you can draw. This is third method. And fourth one is, again you will see quick table. These are ready-made tables. These are templates of tables. You can select and fill your data. Suppose I will click on it. You can see you remove the data like this and fill your own data. Okay. It's an example only. I am telling you how can you create table in MS Word. Next, we will use split and merge cell. How can you split a cell? Click on it, press right mouse button and see this is split cell option. Click on it. Here, this dialog box asks you how many rows and numbers you need. You can put your numbers like this and you can write also and click on OK. See, one cell is divided into 3 columns and 6 rows. If you want to merge all these cells in one cell, again click on merge cell and you can see your cell, your column is become 1 and change in a one cell. Okay. I told you how can you insert row and column. Again, I tell you how can you insert row and column according to your requirement. Suppose we need one more line below. Click on it. You can see one more line is appear. And if you need one line above, click on it. You can see one more line appear in your table. Okay, students. Now
How can you design your tables? You can see different designs are here. Click on any design and you can do your work. Next feature is you can insert pictures also in your you can use pens also to draw different color table. You can insert picture also like this. Suppose pictures online or from your device. If you need online pictures, you can search. And if you want to insert device means in your system pictures, you can insert from system. See this. You can download pictures, insert. You can insert from document. You can insert from pictures. You can insert from desktop. Okay. So you can use according to your requirement. And you can insert shapes also. See, like this. You can change color of your smiling. These days, smileys are used very much for different emotions. Shapes you can use. Charts also you can use in your table. Different type of charts you have seen in cricket match. Mostly pie chart is used. See this. You can also insert smart art. There are so many things you can do with your table. Screenshots, charts, smart art, shapes, icons, 3D models. Online videos, link, ads, comment, everything you can use in your table. Okay, friends? Now, how can you format your table? I will tell you. These are different table layouts. We have two new features, design and layout. These are automatically appear on the screen when you insert any type of your table. See this, there are so many tables. You can select any table, you can use according to your requirement. One more thing, suppose I type text only for using one more feature. That is layout, and you can do calculation in table also. Okay, students. Now lesson 4 is completed. We will meet again with new lesson after half yearly exams.